In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new note in Apple Notes. First, let's start by opening the Notes app on your iPhone or iPad. You can easily find this app on your home screen. It has a simple yellow icon with a white notepad graphic. Just tap on it. Once you do, you'll see all your existing notes neatly organized. This is where you can access previous notes, edit them, or create new ones. Opening the app is the first step in this process, and it sets the stage for everything you will do next. Now that you have the app open, look for the New Note button. This icon is usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen, appearing as a square with a pencil inside it. When you tap this button, a blank note will open up, ready for you to start typing. This step is crucial because it transitions you from viewing your notes to actually creating a new one. You will feel a sense of accomplishment as you begin to fill up the blank space with your thoughts. Next, it's time to enter your note. Just start typing on your keyboard. The text will appear in the note area, and you can express any ideas or thoughts that come to mind. Whether it's a quick reminder, a detailed plan, or something you want to remember, this is your space. Don't worry about formatting just yet. Focus on getting your thoughts down. This step is vital because capturing your ideas is what makes the note useful. If you want to enhance your note further, you can add formatting, checklists, photos, or other content as needed. To do this, look for the formatting options above your keyboard. You can make text bold, italic, or create bullet points. If you want to create a checklist, simply select the checklist option and you can start adding items. Additionally, you can insert photos by tapping on the camera icon or the photo library icon. These features help organize your notes and make them more visually appealing. This customization ensures your notes are not only functional but also tailored to your needs. Once you've finished creating and editing your note, it's time to save your work. Tap the Done button, typically found in the upper left corner of the screen. This confirms that you are satisfied with your note and want to save all the changes you made. Tapping Done is essential because it ensures your note is securely saved in the app, ready for you to revisit later. You will see a confirmation that your note has been saved, giving you peace of mind. With these steps completed, you have successfully created a new note in Apple Notes. You can now access it anytime from the main screen of the app. Remember, taking notes is a great way to keep track of important information and ideas. This simple process saves you time and helps you stay organized in your daily life. If you follow these steps, you will find it easy to manage your notes effectively. Thank you for watching and enjoy using Apple Notes.